Hello everyone. Today we will talk about human excretory system. Human excretory system consists of four parts. These are kidneys, one pair, ureter, one pair, urinary bladder, one, which is a muscular bag-like structure, and urethra, that is the opening of urinary bladder. Kidneys are the major organs for excretion, not only in human beings but in the terrestrial animals, other vertebrates also. These kidneys are bean shaped. They are dark brown in color and they are located one on either side of the backbone in abdominal cavity. We have two cavities, upper thoracic and lower abdominal. So kidneys are located in the abdominal cavity. If you will see the structure of one kidney, it is having two surfaces. This surface which is bulging out is called convex side, and which is bulging in this is called concave side, and it consists of three tubes connected to it, and these three have different rows. This one which is taking blood inside, it is called renal artery. Renal artery carries blood inside the kidney, and the other one is called renal vein. Renal vein brings blood out of the kidney. That means waste product is urea, excess salt and excess water. In case of human beings, all these three things are carried by renal artery inside the kidney, and after filtration from kidney, it is returned back through renal vein. And this third one is ureter. It is a long tube which is running downwards for joining urinary bladder. So we have to remember that renal artery is carrying waste in blood, and renal vein when comes out, it is free from waste, toxic waste that we are talking about, mainly urea, excess salt and water. Right? Now we will see the parts of human excretory system. All the parts, how are they connected to each other? One pair of kidneys, they are connected to two blood vessels. One, and the other one is red one that I am drawing here. This black one is vena cava and this is dorsal aorta, red one, which is the extension of dorsal aorta. This is extension of dorsal aorta. Then we have on the other side another kidney, and you can see the location of both kidneys is slightly different. Left kidney is slightly higher. This one is higher than the right one. Draw shape carefully. These kidneys, they both are connected to one with is coming with black. Make it little bit closer to this. Is connected to the black blood vessel. The other one connection to the red blood vessel. Now what are these black and red blood vessels? This red one is called dorsal aorta. It is extension of systemic aorta coming from heart, and this black one is called vena cava, which collects deoxygenated blood. Now what are these red and black connections to the kidneys? This red one is renal artery, and this black one is renal vein. These arrows, renal artery takes blood in and renal vein brings blood out of the kidney. So this is left kidney. This one is right kidney. Why right kidney is slightly lower than left one? Because there we have to accommodate liver. For accommodation of the liver, this kidney is slightly shifted towards downwards. Now another pair of tubes arising from each kidney running downwards, joining to a muscular bag. This bag is called urinary bladder, and these tubes, this is vena cava. These two tubes which are arising from both the kidneys are called ureters. This is urinary bladder, and this opening is called urethra. This opening is called urethra. Now what are the functions of all these parts? Kidney, function of kidney, they are the major organs of excretion. So they filter, kidneys filter excess salt. Which salt we are talking about? NaCl, that is common table salt. We are eating salt more than our requirement. That is why it is removed by kidneys, filtered by kidneys. Excess salt, water and urea. Urea is the main toxic substance which is formed as a result of metabolic reactions, and we cannot retain it in the cells. There is need to immediately remove it from the cells. So blood removes urea from cells and carries it to kidneys, and kidneys filter it and form urine. After filtration, kidneys form urine, and urine consists of largely water, excess salt and urea. This is the function of kidneys. Now, what is the function of ureters? Ureters transport urine. Where? To urinary bladder. Ureters help in the transport of urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. What is the function of bladder? It stores urine temporarily. Temporarily means this wall of urinary bladder, it is made up of smooth muscles. Right? Those muscles, when this bag is full of urine, those muscles stretch and they send signal for the micturition. Micturition means removal of urine from the bladder. And this urethra, it is the opening which is surrounded by urethral meters, and it helps in the removal of urine from bladder. Right? So at the urge of urination, when this bag is full of urine, this meter opens and releases blood out of the body. So this is how function all the parts of excretory system are working together, and they are helping in the removal of highly poisonous toxic waste of the human body. All of you can mention, learn this again. Urea is the toxic waste which is a nitrogenous product, and it is produced as a result of biochemical reactions or metabolism in the body, and it cannot be retained in cells. It is immediately removed from cells by blood and carried to kidneys for filtration. This is all about the different parts of excretory system in human beings. In next video we will see what is the structure of nephrons or functional and structural units of kidneys. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.